Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to copy and share your LinkedIn profile link. So this is really helpful if you're applying for a job, or maybe if you're talking to someone on another social media platform, you can copy your link and share your LinkedIn profile. So I'm on PC. This is how I would do it on PC. So you can either copy it from the browser. So copy at the top, then Control C and Control V to copy it over. You've also got this section on the right here where your public profile and URL is. You can also just copy it here. So Control C again, and then say I want to send it to someone in an email. So I've just created this email. Check out my LinkedIn profile, and I can click on the insert link and put the link in, click apply, and I can send that to someone. If you're on your phone, it's pretty similar. You can either copy it from the browser, or there might be a three dot section where you can click on that and click share link. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.